god! Oh my god! Shoot! Oh my god! BBA all the way, oh. Team of the week is here, people! Came out yesterday and it is a hell of a team. Well, crap actually. Compared to the last week's. Which had... And then, so, you know what's happening, guys? Back on me too.